Hi guys, in front of me is Nokia C12 and let me show you how to add a fingerprint on this device. So at first open the settings, then find and select security and go to fingerprint. Now choose some backup to your fingerprint. It can be pattern, pin code or the password. Draw it, tap on next and then re-enter your pattern just to confirm. Now manage your notification content, tap on done once you pick the proper option and select Add Fingerprint. Tap on continue then, and as you can see the fingerprint sensor is located at the back cover of your device over here, so all you have to do is to keep tapping till it's fully added. Just lift your finger up and then place it on the sensor till you see here 100%. So that's it, tap on done then, and from now on you can unlock your device with this fingerprint only. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.